So good day everyone. Welcome back to today's class where we are going to be looking at study session 6 titled Spreadsheet. So the learning outcome for this study session include to understand the fundamental features of spreadsheet, to locate how to make and format spreadsheet, understand basic mathematical functions like sum, average, and count. To also explore how to make a bar and bar chart, learn how to visually represent data using conditional formatting. So as a way of introduction, spreadsheet is a digital application for data organization, analysis, storage, and management, and then as well as to organize in a grid of rows and columns. It allows users to perform mathematical calculations, uh, which includes statistical and financial operations, by usually defining the cell content. So fundamental features of spreadsheet. So just like we've established, spreadsheets are computer applications, that organize, store, manipulate data, usually in a tabular form. They are used in finance, accounting, science, and engineering. Spreadsheets consist of cells, and then the cells as well consist of rows and columns, which can contain text, numbers, dates, and formulas. They are arranged in rows and columns with all references. Spreadsheets allow users to perform calculations using formulas and functions, as the case may be. Users can format cells by changing the font size, style, color, and then even alignment. They also allow users to create visual representations of data using charts and graphs. Conditional formatting highlights cells based on specific criteria. Data validation is also possible within the application. How to make and format a cell. So the procedure for making and then formatting a cell has to do with the user first. To create and format a cell in a spreadsheet, the user have to open or launch the program, and then type the data, and then select the cell, and then click the format button. So this can easily be achieved once you launch the Microsoft Excel, and then you work directly on the document, that is looking at the cell, and then once you click on the cell, you click format, usually by right clicking. This can be achieved by right clicking on your using your mouse, and then you select the formatting options, and then you click OK. So basic mathematical functions. A mathematical function is a rule that connects one input to an output. So in Excel, there are various mathematical functions which are available for calculations and also carrying out data manipulations. So there are various functions which include the sum, average, we have the maximum, we have the mean, and then the count functions, which are usually essential in Excel for performing calculations and manipulating data respectively. So by adding, calculating, locating maximum and minimum values, and then even counting the cells. Creating a chart using the Excel application. So to create a bar or pie chart in Excel, first you have to select the data, and then you select the appropriate chart depending on what you want the chart to look like, and then you look at the subtype, then customize using chart tools tab, just like the way you can see in the figure attached. Similarly, again, to create a pie chart, you have to follow the same procedure by selecting the data, and then you also select the appropriate chart type, and then adjusting the order of slices depending on how you want it to look like. So these quick and easy charts simplify complex information understanding. That's usually when you have them on chart. So how to visually represent data using conditional formatting. So conditional formatting in Excel is a tool that allows the users to visually represent data by applying formatting rules, usually based on cell values. So it allows users to highlight specific data points, trends, or patterns in their spreadsheet. So to apply, conditional formatting to data range, first you have to select the range, and then you select conditional formatting from styles, and then followed by choosing the desired formatting type, configure the rules, and then you preview changes. After previewing the changes, and then you click OK. So summary of study session 6. We're able to establish that spreadsheets are computer programs, they're application programs, that store, organize, and manipulate data in tabular format. So commonly used for budgeting, accounting, and data analysis. They consist of cells, rows, and columns, and can be created using programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, among others. They offer built-in functions like sum, average, and then the count functions. So self-assessment questions for study session 6. So the first question there is 6.1. So the question is spreadsheets allow users to create visual representation of data using charts and graphs, true or false. SAQ 6.2. To make or format a cell, users can open a new or existing spreadsheet program, true or false. SAQ 6.3. The max function in Excel application adds up a range of numbers, true or false. SAQ 6.4. To create a bar chart in Excel, the user first select the data to be used for the bar chart, true or false. SAQ 6.5. Conditional formatting in Excel is a powerful tool that allows you to visually represent data by applying formatting rules based on the cell values, true or